Was good. So I got another bank for y'all to go tap in with. It's called Langley Federal Credit Union, and they giving out high limit credit cards. High limit credit cards, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. Yo, you can get one. I'm gonna show you how you can go ahead and get one. So you already know what time it is. Let's get right into it. Welcome back to the #1 credit educational channel. Hey, my name is Dave, where I show you how to remove negative items off your credit report, how to build a relationship with those banks, and how to get to that money. So I got a good one for y'all. I'm gonna talk about Langley Federal Credit Union. I'm gonna cover what requirements you need to get in Langley Federal. I'm also gonna discuss what your credit report needs to look like to actually qualify for that credit card. I'm also gonna break down what credit bureaus they pull, but before I give you all this game, I need you to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and tap in with your boy. Langley Federal Credit Union, they giving out high limit credit cards. But before you tap in with the credit cards, you need to become a member. And after you become a member, anybody can become a member with Langley Federal. All you gotta do is open up a savings account or a checking account, or open up both. But what they're looking at is your Equifax credit report. Make sure you don't have no recent missed payments. Make sure you're at 100%. Make sure your utilization is below 10%. 30% is average, 10% is excellent, right? Having 10% or lower. Also, make sure your average age is at least a year plus. Make sure you have some open accounts, right? Have at least 4 or 5 open accounts, because the more accounts you have on your credit report, the better, because the underwriters look at your actual credit report and see that you can handle credit. So make sure you have some recent open accounts, or not recent, make sure you have some open accounts. Also, make sure you have no derogatory marks, right? Make sure you have no collection, no repossession, no charge off, no bankruptcy, right? Make sure your credit report is all clean. Make sure you don't have too many hard inquiries, 5 or less. The less you have, the better. If you have too many hard inquiries, you can schedule a consultation, or you can get my 24-hour hard inquiry removal book. We'll be able to remove hard inquiries, or you'll be able to remove hard inquiries within 24 to 72 hours. Also, make sure your credit report is cleaned up. I can't stress that enough. You have to have at least a 680 or higher when it comes to them. When it comes to actually getting proof of this credit card, make sure you have at least a 680 or higher credit score. The higher credit score, the better, because the interest rate will be better. So make sure that your credit score is decent. Make sure you have 2 recent pay stubs. Just make sure you have that, okay? Because they're looking to make sure you have a job. They won't approve you if you don't have a job. So make sure you have 2 recent pay stubs. And if you have any negative accounts on your credit report, you got a recent collection that just popped up, recent charge off, or something on your credit report that's holding you back, or too many hard inquiries, schedule a call with me, or I can basically break it down to you real quick on how you can clean up your credit report. Because what you want to do is make sure you send off an investigation letter. I'm gonna cover it real quick. Get us an investigation letter, tell them to check every piece of information on that collection account. What's basically going to happen is you're going to send to all 3 credit bureaus, or whatever credit bureaus that collection is on your credit report. Then after you set the credit bureaus up, what you're going to do is get information back saying that the account got updated or the account got deleted. If it's deleted, then it's good. If it's updated, you know that wasn't properly updated, because after you analyze your credit report, you're going to see the open date, day last activity, the recent payment, date of last payment. All those things going to be different on every single credit report. So Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion are going to have 3 different dates, or probably one of them going to have a different date. So what you're going to use that as leverage to get the account deleted, because according to the FCRA, everything has to be 100% accurate. And they have to do a proper investigation. If you're looking at the FCRA, a proper investigation is them contacting your neighbor, them doing much more deep evidence when it comes to an investigation. So they have broken the law, they have violated your rights. So what you're gonna do is quote the laws to the CFPB and use that as leverage to get the account deleted. I'm telling y'all, you can get anything removed off your credit report once you set the credit bureaus up. So, like I said, if you don't have time to do this, you can schedule calls with my team, and we'll be able to help you and get anything removed off your credit report. Thank you for watching this video. Tap in with Langley Federal Credit Union and go ahead and get that high limit credit card. See y'all on the other side of good credit, and I'll see y'all, and I appreciate for y'all watching this video.